Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening settings immediately. Press Windows key plus I. Once settings is open, pick System, then Power and Sleep. This takes you to the screen timeout controls. You want to focus on the screen section where two drop-downs appear, on battery and when plugged in. Select each drop-down and choose Never to Stop Screen Sleep or extend the timeout to a larger value if you prefer. Make sure to act on both modes, so behavior is consistent across battery and AC power. Once done with the basic settings, move into advanced power options to ensure nothing overrides your choice. Click Additional Power Settings to open the control panel view, then select Change Plan Settings next to your active plan. From there, choose Change Advanced Power Settings and Expand Display. You'll find Turn Off Display after. Set it to Never for both on battery and plugged in or increase minutes to your preference. This prevents system-level timers from putting the screen to sleep unexpectedly. Finish by disabling the screensaver and testing the change. Right-click the desktop, pick Personalize, then Lock Screen and open Screensaver settings. Set it to None and apply. After making all changes, sign out or reboot to verify the display no longer sleeps. If you still see sleep behavior, make sure no company group policy or a third-party utility is enforcing timeouts. Check GPedit, MSC, or security software settings. If needed, revert one change at a time to identify the conflicting setting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.